It's actually quite amazing that we can also measure the sea surface height from satellites, with the use of satellites. So very, very similar to the depth sounding in the ocean, where you use echo sounders to determine actually the path length of an acoustic signal. How long does it take to travel a certain distance? You can derive the distance from that. They use radar pulses to determine the exact distance from the sea surface between the sea surface and the satellite, and the accuracy is better than is around 2 centimeters. Okay, 2 centimeters, and from that you can determine a dynamical features on the sea surface associated with slight variation of the height of the sea surface. On the left side, I show you one example where the differences is something like 10 to 20 centimeter changes that you can see in the signals. This is associated with an El Nino event. You get these patterns here in the Pacific Ocean, where you have regions where the sea level is elevated by 20 centimeters on distances of almost 1,000 kilometers. So very, very tiny differences, but you can measure them from satellites. It's a fascinating feature. Yeah, this is a 10-day average of sea surface height anomaly data from the JASON-2 satellite, OSTM JASON-2. Okay? So what you see here are so-called anomalies, which is the difference between the observed signal and the average signal. So you can see only differences with respect to an average value. Okay,